Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wireless mouse battery life. We'll explore what impacts how long your mouse lasts, some tips to make it stretch further, and ultimately, which mice give you the best bang for your buck. In terms of battery longevity, first off, let's talk about what drains that precious battery. The biggest culprits are the mouse's sensor, the polling rate, and the type of wireless connection it uses. Higher-end sensors, while offering better precision, often demand more power. Similarly, a higher polling rate, which means the mouse reports its position more frequently to your computer, also eats up battery. And Bluetooth mice generally sip power more efficiently than those using a dedicated 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. Now, let's look at ways to extend your mouse's life. Firstly, consider turning it off when you're not using it. Seems obvious, but it's a huge battery saver. Many mice have an on-off switch, so make use of it. Secondly, adjust your mouse settings. Lowering the polling rate can significantly reduce power consumption, without noticeably impacting performance for most users. Some mice also have power-saving modes that kick in when idle. Enable these. Thirdly, think about the type of batteries you use. Rechargeable batteries are a great choice for convenience and cost-effectiveness over time. However, ensure you have a charging routine, so you're not caught short. If you prefer disposable batteries, consider lithium batteries over alkaline batteries. They offer longer life and better performance, especially in devices like wireless mice. And finally, keep your mouse firmware updated. Manufacturers sometimes release updates that optimize power consumption. So, which mice actually deliver on their battery life claims? Honestly, it varies depending on usage, but some brands consistently impress. Mice known for their excellent battery life often prioritize power efficiency in their design. Look out for mice marketed with low power modes, or those that utilize Bluetooth 5.0 or later. Gaming mice, despite their features, don't always offer the best battery life because of the demands of their high-performance sensors and polling rates. So, if battery life is paramount, do some research before you buy and check independent reviews. In conclusion, wireless mouse battery life is a mix of technology, settings, and habits. By understanding these factors, you can make an informed choice when buying a mouse and make the one you have last even longer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wireless mice, specifically focusing on a crucial aspect: battery life. We all know the frustration of a dead mouse mid-game or during an important task. So let's explore what impacts battery life and how to choose a mouse that lasts. First off, what factors influence battery life? The biggest culprit is, of course, the type of batteries your mouse uses. Most wireless mice use either AA or AAA batteries, while some have built-in rechargeable batteries. The size and capacity of the batteries play a huge role. AA batteries generally last longer than AAA, and higher mAh ratings indicate longer potential usage. Then there's the sensor. High-performance gaming mice often have more powerful sensors, with higher DPI dots per inch settings. While this offers greater precision, it can also drain the battery faster. The polling rate, which determines how often the mouse reports its position to the computer, also affects battery life. Higher polling rates mean more frequent communication, and, consequently, more power consumption. Connectivity is another key factor. Most wireless mice use either Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. Bluetooth is generally more power efficient, especially when the mouse is idle. However, 2.4 GHz connections often offer lower latency, which is essential for gaming. The trade-off is often shorter battery life. Next, let's talk about usage patterns. How you use your mouse has a significant impact. If you're a heavy user, spending hours a day clicking and scrolling, your battery will deplete faster. Gamers who use high DPI settings and rapid movements will also experience quicker battery drain. Even the surface you use your mouse on matters, as some sensors work harder on certain surfaces. Now, let's look at some tips for maximizing battery life. First, consider the mouse's power-saving features. Many mice automatically enter sleep mode when not in use. Some even have an on-off switch to conserve power when you're not using them. Also, lower your DPI if you don't need the highest settings. Reducing the polling rate can also help, although gamers might notice a slight difference. Choose the right batteries. Use high-quality alkaline or lithium batteries. Lithium batteries offer longer life and are lighter, but they're often more expensive. If your mouse has rechargeable batteries, make sure to fully charge them before use, and avoid overcharging. Finally, let's touch on some popular mice and their battery performance. Brands like Logitech and Razer are known for offering mice with excellent battery life, often lasting for months on a single set of batteries. Always check the manufacturer's specifications for estimated battery life. But remember that actual usage can vary based on the factors we've discussed. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews.